Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this August 13th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Tuesday evening. Everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Tropical Storm Ernesto, which is expected to become a hurricane. Should be later on overnight tonight or again on your Wednesday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation as well. Also, the current watch and warning advisory map. Also, we're going to take a look at some severe weather potential for your Wednesday and Thursday. So, stick around to the entire video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and tell your family, friends, and neighbors about the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. Tell them to subscribe as well. Excuse me. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, as you can see, Ernesto is getting a little better organized. Here is the northern Leeward Islands here. It hasn't passed you guys. Here is Puerto Rico. The center of the storm will pass right over Puerto Rico. May bring some mudslides and heavy rainfall to you guys as well. I would not be surprised. Maybe a little bit of the outer bands could hit the Dominican Republic over here area. So would not be surprised to see get some gusty winds and some rainfall over in that area as well. Alright, let's move on down. Let's take a look at the forecast. Okay, it's low here. It is. Alright, you can see 5 p.m. advisory. We have tropical storm watches and warnings down here in the Puerto Rico area, also into the British Virgin Island area. Tropical storm force winds in the yellow. There's the hurricane winds there. Expected to remain a hurricane all the way through 2 p.m. Sunday. If you're tracking the system at home, it's located near latitude 18.0 north, longitude 64.1 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 60 miles an hour with higher gusts. Moving to the west-northwest at 18 miles per hour. Currently, the tropical storm winds are 39 to 73 miles per hour. Alright, let's see if we can get to the forecast model runs, the spaghetti-o model we call it. Alright, you can see here is the center of the storm around the British Virgin Islands. Continue to push off to the west-northwest. And there's the center of the storm. And then up here is around Nova Scotia. Looks like it's headed maybe just south of St. John's Island. We'll have to continue to monitor that. If it takes a little bit further track to the north, the Newfoundland region may get in on that activity. Alright, let's take a look at the intensity guidance of the system. Alright, you can see we have about 50 knot winds equal to 60 miles per hour. There it is going through a category 1 up to a category 2. Still a lot of the models still taking it to a category 3. I still believe it may reach category 3 status. Right now the Hurricane Center is going with just category 2. But I believe it may get a little bit more strength and become a category 3, which is a major hurricane. Alright, now let's take a look at the radar across the nation here. As you can see, we got some scattered activity down here across the Carolinas here. Also some over around Missouri and Arkansas. Same over towards North Dakota. More scattered activity from Montana to Wyoming to Colorado, around the Denver area. Also the Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, and northwestern Mexico region as well. A little bit over a portion of South Canada, and a little bit up here around Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and northern Maine areas as well. And also we have a little bit down toward Florida, and also down toward Havana, Cuba as well. Alright, let's take a look at the current watches Alright, there it is. Alright, we got some flood advisory, flood warnings for portion of Virginia, the Carolinas, portion of Texas, Oklahoma, up in the Kansas, and also in the portion of Missouri. Air quality alerts around the Atlanta metro area, a little bit over here in Tennessee. Severe thunderstorm watch for portions of Nebraska, Kansas, and also in the portion of Colorado. We have some flood watches there as well in Colorado, New Mexico. We have red flag warnings over here for Utah and also in the portion of Oregon State. Air quality alert for portions of Washington, Oregon State as well. One county in Nevada. And also we have special weather statement for portions of Oregon advisory for California coast, central south of Hawaii and Chain Island. Same small craft advisory south, central north looks good. Also around the Alaska area, special weather statement. Alright, general thunderstorm pretty much from Maine down toward New York, Scranton area, over from Wilmington, North Carolina to Charleston, Savannah, down toward Miami, back to New Orleans, back over toward Great Falls, Montana, and also we have a marginal risk up here through the Dakotas, down in North Texas, and also to Wyoming, back over toward portions of Iowa, and so portions of northern Kansas. Also, we have a slight risk over here around the Omaha, Lincoln area. Now let's take a look at the tornado probability. 2% in the green, damaging winds. 5% in the brown, and 15% in the yellow, and large hail. Still 5% in the brown and 15% in the yellow around the Omaha and Lincoln, Nebraska region areas as well. Alright, let's move on to your Thursday outlook. General thunderstorm from Maine down to New York State, Scranton. Then from Columbus, Georgia to Miami, Florida. Back to New Orleans, Louisiana, Houston, Texas. Back over towards Albuquerque, New Mexico, all the way to Spokane. And also we have a marginal risk from La Crosse, Wisconsin, all the way down to Oklahoma City. Then we have Chicago, Illinois, down to just east of Springfield with a slight risk of severe weather. Probability should be 5 and 15%. Okay, that's it. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Everybody make sure you subscribe if you have not. Also like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next video. So like I said, make sure you subscribe if you like them. Also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Take care and have a great Tuesday evening, folks. Take care.